Ready to revolutionize your Fiverr game by combining the power of AI artistry and conversational brilliance? First, let's scope out the competition. Head over to Fiverr and search for AI art to see what others are offering and identify gaps in the market. Notice the pricing and service descriptions. Next, fire up ChatGPT. Ask it to craft compelling gig descriptions, optimize titles, and even generate facts to handle customer inquiries. A well-written description is key to attracting clients. Now for the magic Midjourney. Experiment with detailed prompts to generate a diverse portfolio of stunning AI art. Focus on different styles and aesthetics to cater to various client needs. Show range. Time to create your Fiverr gig. Use chat descriptions, showcase your Midjourney masterpieces, set competitive pricing, and highlight your fast turnaround times. Emphasize your unique AI-powered workflow. Leverage ChatGPT to handle initial client inquiries and offer personalized recommendations. This saves you time and provides instant, helpful responses, creating a stellar customer experience. Finally, promote your gig, share it on social media, optimize your keywords, and consistently deliver high-quality AI art with skill integration and market demand. You will dominate the marketplace.